I'm going to talk about the flow capability of a Durso overflow using 1-inch thin wall tubing. The pump I'm using is that Pond Master Model 7, which at a head height of 3 feet flows 565 gallons an hour. The only problem is I have exactly a 3-foot head height, and my flow rate measured as it spills over the edge was 430 gallons an hour. Not 565, folks, 430. I think in another video I said it was flowing 525 for me. Now here I go again. My actual flow rate was 430 gallons an hour. 430. Not 565. But I'll take it. 430 gallons an hour. And I'm using a 1-inch thin wall overflow, and I'm right at the limit of what that thing's capable of. And the way I can tell, how I know, is that water level. Boy, I just can't get lighting worth of crap. The water is just spilling into the weir. If I I can't get a better shot. Yeah, boy, darn, man. Anyway, the water is just spilling into the weir. The weir is full. When the pumps are shut off completely, the water level in the weir drops to there, which is the bottom of the T. The higher the flow rate, the higher this water runs in the weir, until you've reached its limit, which is where it's at now, with a 430 gallon an hour pump. And there's another way to test, and that is to shut the valve off and let the pump cavitate, and then turn the valve back on and see how long it takes for the system to reach equilibrium. I'm going to pause this. Okay, I had to pause it because turning that valve's a nightmare. That's the best I could do. And I almost broke the handle off, I'm sure. The pump's pumping the chamber down. The level in the aquarium coming up higher and higher. It's almost up to the top of the slops in the weir. And you can see there that the weir is swamped. The pump's sucking air. I'm going to open the valve up and we'll see how long it takes for that water to flow back down. Okay. Water's flowing down through that overflow. If that overflow was capable, this water level would rise fairly quickly, which you'll see when I install my 1 1/4 inch overflow plumbing. But you can see right now that excess water that's up top, it's coming back down just a little faster than what that pump's flowing, which is 430 gallons an hour. So the moral of my story is, my 1-inch overflow using thin wall non-Schedule 40 PVC is capable of just over 430 gallons an hour.